Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at Friday and the weekend. Another very windy day ahead on Friday across the Scottish mountains. Gales or severe gale force speeds much of the daytime. The highest speeds typically across the far north, but also over the Ben Nevis range, tops of the Cairngorms at times in excess of 70 miles per hour, with stronger gusts in there as well. Showery conditions across more western and northwestern regions, some heavy bursts in there in the northwest at times. Some of those may have some hail and an odd rumble of thunder mixed in. Windy too across northern England, touching gale force across the higher fells in the Lake District. 1 or 2 showers coming in occasionally, but mostly light and well scattered, and generally less windy across Wales and the Peak District, often dry with bright and sunny spells. Now we do have a ridge of high pressure building from the south as we go into Friday evening and night, and that will allow wind speeds to drop light and clear skies to develop, which could lead to some mist and fog patches first thing on Saturday morning in some of the valleys and the glens. We do have a further frontal system though moving in from the southwest, and that brings the risk of some rain developing through Saturday daytime. Now there's still quite a bit of uncertainty between various forecast models exactly how this feature behaves and how extensive it becomes and how rapidly it pushes northwards. For the Highlands, a good chance that much of the daytime will escape dry. The risk, though, of some rain turning up from the southwest, soonest around Arran, getting towards Loch Lomond National Park, and maybe pushing further north into the central and southwestern Highlands into the afternoon. The far north more likely to escape dry. This chart situation around the middle of the afternoon indicates that heavier rain is more likely to start developing into Wales. It could get into the Lake District as well, but even the progress of that is open to a bit of question. Mid and South Wales perhaps escaping drier with just some patchy drizzly conditions at times. The wind strengthening though here across the Welsh mountains, getting to gale force 40 or 50 miles per hour, perhaps some stronger gusts. The wind speeds from the southeast will also strengthen over the western and southwestern Highlands, generally strengthening across the Highlands as a whole, having been pretty light and variable early in the day. By Saturday evening and night, the wettest conditions look focused across southwest Scotland into northern England and Wales. That area of rain and drizzle perhaps just tending to break up, but pushing sporadically northwards across most areas into Saturday night. By Sunday, southwesterly winds prevail for all, and it's a general story of a lot of cloud with some rain and some drizzle, that most persistent in western regions. For western Scotland could be a pretty damp day, although total rainfall relatively small. Here some showery rain maybe mixed in at times. Lowest cloud focused towards western coastal mountains. The cloud will cap many of the higher tops even inland and towards the Cairngorms through much of the daytime, some higher breaks developing occasionally. Low cloud from mid or even some lower slopes upwards across the Welsh mountains for much of the day around a slow-moving front. This is likely to bring some rain and some drizzle fairly persistently. It may fade out occasionally further north across Wales, and drizzly showers on and off for the Lake District as well. Breezy conditions, the wind speeds around 30-40 miles per hour, maybe a bit stronger at times near to the northwestern coasts of Scotland. Keep an eye on all your local details then. All of that can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.